welcome to our play. We ask that you put all video cameras and other recordings away. There will be video after the performance that you can buy. Thank you. Hi, my name's Emily Elizabeth, and this is my dog, Clifford.
More stuff about him.
Oh, you got it. I just said it was my dog, Clifford.
Oh, I gotta say more stuff about him.
Okay. Clifford, I got him when he was just a puppy, and he was the teeniest, tiniest puppy you ever did see. I picked him because he was the runt of the litter, and I felt bad for him. And I started to give him lots and lots of food, and he started to grow, and grow, and grow, and grow. And now he's as big as a house. He doesn't even fit inside of our house. We had to make the whole garage his dog